Kardio. This is your team, Nicky. Kimono Kardio へようこそ。一緒に踊りましょうね。This is your team, Nicky. Kimono Kardio. Your no excuse workout. I'm doing it in a kimono, and today it's actually a cotton kimono, and I'm wearing a nagajiban underneath it. So there is no excuse for you not to be able to do it in your suit or your dress. You can do it. We can move together. Great way to get your day started. Yes, Kimono Kardio. You do your first thing before you even get to the gym. Get your body warmed up. If it doesn't take up space or time, you can do it in your normal everyday clothes. This is your first workout of the day. In fact, you can even do it if you're in bed. You don't need to be standing. Yes. But you need to be moving every day. Every day we need to move. Yes. So let's get our groove on. And fireworks. Where are they? Where are those fireworks? Kimono Kardio. Let's go look for them. And walk, walk. 一緒に踊りましょうね。楽しい花火。花火。どこにある？どこにある？探しに行こう。Let's look for them. 探しに行こう。花火。花火。This is Kimono Kardio routine, Nicky. 一緒に踊りましょう。Let's dance together. Let's dance. Let's move. Keep it moving. Kimono Kardio, your no excuse workout. Doesn't take up much time, doesn't take up much space. And you can do it whenever you're wearing, wherever you're at, because you're the best. Kimono Kardio, thank you so much. You guys are great. Thank you. ありがとうございました。